Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a simple sheet metal model in Autodesk Inventor. We will construct this in a thickness of 1.5 mm. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to File, go to New. We will take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Okay. Now go to 2D Sketch. From here we will select the exit plane. This will be the top plane, so rotate it. Now go to rectangle and take the 2 point center rectangle. Select the center point and give the dimension 100, tab 100 and enter. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now go to face command. It will generate the base of the sheet. We'll want it upwards, so apply. So as you can see, this is the by default thickness of the sheet, which is 0.5 mm. So to change the sheet thickness, go to sheet metal defaults. From here you can see 0.5 mm sheet thickness is the by default thickness. To change this, uncheck this and here change it to 1.5 and apply. Here you can see the thickness has increased. Now exit this. Now we will make the side walls. These side walls we will make. So go to flange command. From here give the flange height of 75 mm and we will select the here go to select and we will select the upper edge. Similarly upper edge of back side and upper edge of this side. Okay, and apply. Now exit this. Now we will make the cut profiles. For that select this face, go to 2D sketch. Now take the line command, make a line over here and here. So this line and this. So this is a triangular profile. Now go to dimensions. From this edge to this it will be 20 mm and from this point to the bottom this also 20 mm. Okay, now you can see it is coming outward, so drag it inside and match it with this line. So this is fully constrained. Now go to 3D model. I'll change the view. We want to cut this face as well as this face, so we will select the extrude and we will flip the direction. It will change it to cut. From here it will change it to cut and we will select all. It will be through cut and okay. Now we will make these hole profiles, these holes. For that select this face, go to 2D sketch, go to circle command and make a circle over here. Similarly one circle over here and one here. Okay, now give them dimensions. The middle circle will be of dia 30 mm and the side circles will be of dia 10 mm and this also 10 mm. Okay, now from side this will be at a distance of 15 mm, and from top this will be at a distance of 10 mm. Okay, now the this bottom one, from bottom this will be at a distance of 15 mm, and from side this will be at a distance of 10 mm. Okay, now the middle circle, from back side this will be at a distance of 40 mm, and from bottom this will be at a distance of 35. Okay, now this is a fully constrained sketch. Now go to finish sketch, and again we will go to 3D model and go to extrude. Select all the three circles. Okay, and flip the direction as we want to cut the profiles, and from here change into all, and okay. Okay, now we will make the bottom face and the back. So first we will select this face and go to 2D sketch. Here we will go to rectangle command and we will select 2-point center rectangle. Make a rectangle over here and go to circle command and select the center point circle. Make a circle over here and circle on all edges of the rectangle, and this is the fourth. Okay, now go to dimensions, give this as dimension of 65 and this has a dimension of 50 mm. Okay, now it is not aligned properly, so go to vertical align, vertical constraint, select this point and select the center point over here. This is vertically aligned now. Now go to dimensions, select the top face and this center point and give the dimension as 37.5. This will horizontally align the rectangle. Now the circle profiles are left, so the middle circle will be of dia 30 mm and this circle will be of dia 10 mm. But we need to make all the circles of dia 10 mm. Rather than going and giving the dimension to each circle, we'll go to the equal constraint, select this circle and select this circle. These are equal to each other. Similarly, select this and this circle and this circle, they are equal. Similarly, this circle and this circle, they are equal. By using this constraint, the effect will be, if you in future we want to change this dimension to 20 mm, the all circles will change automatically. Undo this. Okay, now this time we will go to sheet metal and go to cut command and select all the profiles. Okay, so to home view. Now cut command will automatically take the thickness at the depth of 1.5 mm, the sheet thickness, and okay. Similarly, we will make the profile at bottom face. Select this face, go to 2D sketch. Now go to rectangle command once again and select the 2-point center rectangle. Select this center point and make a rectangle. Make a rectangle of 75 mm, tab 75 mm. Okay. Now go to circle command and take the center point circle and make circle on all edges. 1 2, this is the third, this is fourth. Okay, and a circle at the center point. Now go to dimensions and give the center as similarly 30, and the side also, and side will be 10 mm. Okay, now go to equal, make all of them equal, this and this. So now this circle and this circle, this circle and this circle. Okay, now finish sketch and go to extrude, or take the sheet metal cut, top face, this, these profiles, the circular profiles, and okay. Now the complete part is here. Now we want to make the sheet flat pattern. So go to create flat pattern. It will provide you the flat pattern. These are the bending lines over here. The flat pattern is required for laser cutting of the sheet before the bending, or the for manual cutting, or it will give the blank size of the sheet. Now we will go to back to the part, go to folded part. So this is the folded part. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.